Thursday the 14th of June. Now let's just have a look at prices and where prices may likely go. So previously we had prices trade all the way up to us at 130.50 or so for encountering resistance. Again, we've had prices trade all the way towards 130.40. Didn't quite get towards at 130.50. Found resistance. We've now had prices trade up towards at 130.40, slightly above the 130.40. Again, we found resistance, and more recently we've had a spike all the way up towards at 130.50, in around at 130.50 area. And again, we've seen that sell side momentum come back into the market. So above this 130 and that 130.50, in around that area, we are seeing quite a bit of sell side momentum. There does appear to be a lot of bears unwilling to relinquish their position, and as we can see, after having that spike above the 130, we've seen the sell side momentum return to the market, and we do appear to be having a breakdown from this 130 level. So if we're not able to break and hold it back above the 130, we're looking for a test of the 129.44. Successful break from which we're looking for a move down to a 129, and if there is sufficient volatility to the downside, we're looking for a move down to a 128.39 here on the US dollar CAD. If, however, we do find support in around a 129.44, where we do have that confluence of the 400 period moving average, and we can break and hold above the 130, we look to see our price react towards this trading area here in around a 130.40, 130.50. If we can successfully break from that area, we're then looking for prices, well, that trading zone, we're then looking for price head up towards that 131 here on the US dollar CAD. Now, let's just have a brief look here at the daily chart, see how price is developing. Okay, scaling here, correct. So here we are on the daily chart of the US dollar CAD. And what we have seen is we found support around 25.30, had this brief move up here towards that 129, consolidation for having a test of that 130, well, before having this consolidation below, broke above the 129, 129.44, had a perfect rejection of the 130 level marked out here on the chart. Brief pullback, consolidation in above the 27.56 for having a break to the upside of the 130, sell side momentum take us back down towards 28.39. And all these subsequent breaks of the 130 level, we've seen rejections in around that 130 level. So there does appear to be a lot of bearish momentum above this 130. We do appear to be breaking down from there at present. So there is still there has been a slight consolidative move here to the upside, slight bias to the market, but we do appear to be breaking down from this 130. We'll see if there's an acceleration of momentum and start to see if there is a shift in the most recent trend, which has been to the upside here on the US dollar CAD. With that said, I suppose we would need a great degree of volatility here and momentum to the downside. But if we do start seeing a further breakdown from this level, we potentially looking to see our price track towards the previous area of consolidation in around 27.56. Seems to be a level of some note here on the US dollar CAD. With that said, that wraps up the US dollar CAD analysis. Thanks for watching.